Yo, what up? Hey, it's me. Yeah, you see everything in here. It's 2:38 in the morning. It's raining, right? And I don't have any phone service. Look. Let's take a couple look. What that say? Let's say tell one. Yeah. I mean, I just want to make sure that I'm like 125% clear on this. My name is Jason Morgan. It's April 29th, 2014. This box that they just gave me is 6, maybe 7 days old. And yeah, this is the 4th time, maybe the 5th time that we've had to call somebody out here about our phone service. I mean, I'm not trying to get nothing for free, but I'm just saying, like, you know, like if you can't get a house when it's raining, you know what I'm saying? Like on some real shit, like it's raining at my house right now. Like on some real shit, like it's raining. You don't believe me? Check the weather report. But if y'all can't accommodate me, then why am I even paying you for my services? I'm just saying. I mean, my grandma, she's getting ready to be 80. My mom, she's getting ready to be 60. Just saying. I mean, I might not be the next one in control of this house, but let's say I am. Let's go ahead and get that shit together right now. Okay. We'll see what it leads to. Like I said, it's 2:40 now. 2:40 a.m. That's blinking. Telephone one saying that our phone is off the hook, but the only person that's up right now is me. I'm not even on the phone. So if this is the type of service that Time Warner wants to provide me, and then I gotta pay $100+ every month, what kind of shit is that? I mean, like, what if I had to call 911 in the middle of the night because something happened? Like I said, my grandmother, she's 80. My mom, she's going to be 60. But what kind of, I don't know, dilemma would I be in if there was no cell phones? I mean, and then, you know, like, they rely on that because Time Warner, Comcast, and Verizon are all in cahoots together. The big three: Bosch, D-Wade, LeBron. Just saying. So either way it goes, you know, like, somebody's gonna get their money and then, like, everybody's gonna get paid. That's fucked up. That's real shit. It is. It's fucked up. Like, you know, like, because that's the big three. You know what I'm saying? Like, we go out of town, we hear Comcast. But, like, when they come here, they hear Time Warner. I mean, people go out of town and they hear Sprint or whatever, and like, these are all sub companies of one of those big three. That's some bullshit, man. Like, if you really think about it. So, from me to you, on some real shit, like, you know, like, pick one of your big three that you want to pay for, but make sure that your big three is like available in your area. Because this shit here, if my grandma was to have a heart attack and I didn't have a cell phone, what kind of shit would that shit be? And now it's 2:43. Just saying. Do what you gotta do, people. Stop fucking with them motherfuckers. Big three? Yeah, they got us on lock. I mean, actually, it's like 5. It's like a starting 5. Because, I mean, like, you know, you think about it, Microsoft's in there somewhere. What? Yeah, Microsoft. Sony's in there. Yeah. Think about it. You on a gaming system? Microsoft, Sony. Yeah. They gotta pay the people that's providing the service for them. So they gonna charge you the whatever for the PlayStation Plus or the Xbox Live. Just being real, people. Just letting you know. It's fucked up in this game. But that's real shit. I'm out. I'll get with y'all later. Y'all be cool. Think about it. Because eventually, like, these bills that's piling up, like, you gonna have to pay somebody. I mean, I'm paying the state for some bullshit that didn't even happen to me. Yeah, I said it. Fuck Ohio. That's why I'm rolling with Bama, nigga.